Swear to God, this corner is always a death trap. Yo, you gotta look.
I looked before I turned.
The light turned green and I went this way.
Look what you did to my car.
Come on, I got it all on camera.
Well, but you gotta go. Thank God I have a camera right there.
I went straight. You came around the corner. You didn't even look before you came out the traffic. You're in the wrong. Do you want to pull over?
Why I want to pull over?
Pull over. Dumb bitch.
You coming? You see? I already done. Why you did not? You know? Why you go? You pass me?
Come out.
You see?
But you know exactly how traffic works, miss.
No. The traffic, the light wasn't changing when I turned, okay? You were speeding too much. That's what happened to you.
I was speeding?
Yeah, you were
I was speeding? You sure about that?
Speeding.
You sure?
If I'm sure? Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, so what happens now? You done?
You're driving a motorcycle and then you keep speeding like this. Where are you going?
So what? You're not gonna pursue it even though it's my fault?
Sir, I don't want to
Huh?
I'm in a hurry, okay?
Okay.
You are the one, you should look.
I should look, but you was making a turn.
I look at the light, was red. And then the first was coming all of the way.
But you know the light changes, man. Yo, this bitch is dumb. This bitch is stupid. She knows she in the wrong. That's why she pulling off. She got them crossed eyes. That's why she couldn't see me coming. Dumbass.
What? What?
Stop the engine.
I'm just trying to start mine.
Guys, you know this is private property. Take off your. Let me see your face.
No, I'm not taking off my helmet. It's hard to get back on.
Okay. Do you know this is private property?
No, we just followed the trail.
No, there is no trail.
Yeah, there's...
There is no trail.
Okay, it looks like this.
Where are you living?
I don't live up here.
Where do you live? So why do you come here?
We just followed
This is private property.
We just followed the trail.
No, there is no. I heard you yesterday. Look what you've done.
Well, that was...
Did you see what you've done?
There's holes in trees not from us. We didn't cut this down.
Kisa!
We didn't cut this down. I didn't mean to. We just followed the trail.
You didn't cut the trees, no.
No, we didn't.
But
Yeah.
look the trail you did.
We just followed the trail.
Kisa! Down here? By the horse fence?
Oh yeah. I'll call my friend who lives up here.
No.
I'm gonna get off.
No, you. Go.
Okay, I'm gonna lean it up against the tree.
I'm holding.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go put it up against the tree.
No. You are staying here.
Because I can't let it tip over.
You are staying here. Kisa!
Same guys?
No, different guys.
What the fuck you do?
I didn't know it was private property. I'm sorry, we'll leave.
What do you mean you don't know?
What do you mean? You don't
You
know?
came yesterday?
I didn't come yesterday.
No, you were here
You
yesterday,
were
guys.
here yesterday?
I
We heard you.
I took my
I wasn't
car.
here.
I just didn't catch you.
So next time,
I'm sorry.
if
We
you
won't.
are here,
And I'm using this place as a range. If I kill you, I don't want to be in jail. But I can kill you. Do you understand that?
Well, yeah,
Yeah.
but you can't kill us, but yeah.
No, we can't kill you
but
because this
it's
is
not
our
in
property.
purpose.
Okay, yeah, but
Yeah, but
it's not the
He
US.
is using this as a range, shooting range. Do you
Okay.
understand what we're talking
Yeah,
about?
okay, but-
he can just target to the tree. He can miss it. He can.
Okay, yeah, if it's an
you,
accident,
yeah?
that's one thing.
So
I didn't,
guys,
we
this
didn't,
is it. This is it. You never come here again.
okay.
okay.
This is everywhere, private property.
I don't live, we just followed from the air,
Oh, you just use it like that.
no, do you know the airstrip, the long gravel path?
Gravel path.
Yeah, we just follow-
Seventh concession. This is our street.
We just followed that and it came here. I didn't know this was private property, I'm sorry. No, there's a lot of ATV guys there that go there. It's like, it's open.
It says on the sign. It says on the sign.
Yeah, but they're fine with us going there.
It's not your property.
They're fine with us going there, we asked them. Here, I'll call my friend. I'll call my friend, I'll call him. I'll call him, he lives up here. We don't live up here, that's why.
Okay. Oh, you cannot call him here.
I don't know what his address is. I'll call him though. We just followed the trail. I didn't think it was. If it's private property, it's private property. Well, I'm sorry. We'll leave. I didn't know.
No, you have to know, guys.
Well, this is the first time I've been told, so I'm just saying. I didn't know, so we'll leave now. We won't come back.
You know, if you don't
I didn't know, so.
it doesn't mean that you
You know what I mean?
yeah? That's the right side.
Okay, yeah, but we didn't see a sign. I'm sorry. We'll leave. But
What do you mean you don't see the sign? Everywhere here, it's a private property.
okay, yeah, but we didn't know that because we followed the trail. That's the only thing. We'll leave though. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not trying to say. Yeah.
I just don't know how they're gonna leave.
We'll just leave the way we came. Yeah, we'll leave the way we came. I'm sorry, I didn't think it was private property. I just thought it was a trail.
Don't gas though.
Pardon?
Go slow.
Yeah, we won't.
Fucking idiot. What a fucking idiot. How could you not see me? It's 60, mate. Get the fuck off my ass. Fuck.
What's this guy's fucking number plate? TAC 367. Is that it? TAL 367. TAL 367. Pajero, white, older guy, grey hair, scruffy grey hair. Yeah, you're lucky there's no red light, mate.
It's only 60 back there. It's only 60 back there, mate. Oi, why'd you overtake me? There's only 60 back there. I know you can hear me. You're an idiot. You're gonna kill someone. Stopping at the police station. You serious, mate? What a fucking idiot.